Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to give you an update on what's going on with the USCIS budget crisis. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Michael Ashoori and I'm a US immigration lawyer based in Los Angeles. At my law firm, we regularly post videos to keep you up to date with what's going on in immigration. So if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button now. Now let's get started. So I've previously talked about how USCIS is going through a budget crisis. Basically, due to COVID-19, the amount of immigration applications that are getting filed with USCIS have gone down tremendously. As a matter of fact, I believe USCIS is projecting that there's going to be a 61% decrease in the number of applications that are filed in 2020. Now, the reason why this is such a big deal is that USCIS generates its revenue from the filing fees that get paid when somebody files an immigration application. And now that those filing fees are not coming in as much, we have this budget crisis. Now, this is all stuff that I've already talked about. Now I want to give you an update. And the update is that USCIS has now actually begun issuing furlough notices to its employees. Basically, a furlough is a leave of absence. And the government is required to give furlough notices to its employees about 30 days before they actually furlough their workers. And USCIS has already started issuing these furlough notices. Now, the crazy part is that USCIS is projecting to send furlough notices to 13,400 employees. Now, let me put that into a little bit of perspective. The entire USCIS workforce is about 20,000 employees, and USCIS is projecting to send furlough notices to 13,400 employees. That's almost 75% of the entire workforce. And the furloughs are expected to start beginning on August 3rd. So now that you know the update, I want to talk about an important point. And the important point is that Congress has still not taken made a decision on whether it will provide emergency funding to USCIS. So what do I think is going to happen? Now that we have this budget emergency, what do I think is going to happen? The first thing that I think is going to happen, and it's very likely to happen, is that filing fees are going to increase. So, if somebody's filing, for example, a naturalization application or some other type of application, it's very likely that the fees that USCIS charges for these applications is going to go up in the near future. The second thing that I think will happen is that if USCIS does have to furlough some workers, I believe that processing times are going to slow down. So this brings me to my last point. What do I think you should do? So if you are planning on filing some type of an immigration case, and of course, if you're eligible for that case that you're trying to file, for example, if you're planning on filing a naturalization case, or if you're planning on filing some sort of a green card case, or something along those lines, I believe it's going to be a good idea to file sooner rather than later. Because it's very likely, again, that filing fees are going to go up and that processing times are going to go down. So by filing your case sooner rather than later, you can hopefully lock in the current filing fees. And again, you'll get your application in ahead of other people, which would presumably save you time on your processing times as well. So I hope you guys found this video very helpful and very informative. If you know anybody that needs to hear this, definitely go ahead and share this video with them. We're all about empowering you with knowledge. So definitely feel free to share this video. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. Definitely, if you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And again, if you haven't already done so, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Subscribing is the best way to stay on top of our content and to get notifications of the videos that we're posting. As always, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you on the next video.